Hidden in the heights of the majestic Himalayas lies a natural secret so powerful, it was once reserved for ancient kings and warriors. Today, it's the ultimate key to unlocking limitless energy and unstoppable power. This is Shilajit, the ancient elixir of strength, vitality, and mental clarity. Are you ready to transform your life? Shilajit is a sticky, tar-like substance that seeps from rocks in the Himalayan mountains. Often called the destroyer of weakness, it's been used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine. But what makes it so special? It's packed with over 85 trace minerals, antioxidants, and one of nature's most powerful compounds, fulvic acid. Fulvic acid is the magic ingredient that enhances nutrient absorption at the cellular level. This means Shilajit doesn't just boost your energy, it supercharges your entire system from the inside out. Tired of feeling drained halfway through your day? Or hitting a wall during workouts? Shilajit might just be your secret weapon. Here's how it works. First, it boosts mitochondrial function, your body's powerhouses, so they produce more energy. Second, it fights fatigue with its unique combination of minerals and antioxidants that combat physical and mental exhaustion, keeping you energized all day. And third, it enhances endurance and recovery. Whether you're crushing it at the gym or climbing life's mountains, Shilajit helps you push harder and recover faster. But wait, there's more. Shilajit isn't just about energy. It offers a range of benefits that can take your mental and physical performance to the next level. It sharpens mental focus and clarity, helping you say goodbye to brain fog and keeping your mind sharp. It supports muscle growth and recovery, perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, by speeding up muscle repair and reducing inflammation. And it promotes longevity. Loaded with antioxidants, Shilajit fights aging and protects your body from oxidative stress. Now that you're ready to experience the power of Shilajit, here's how to use it. First, choose the right form. Shilajit is available as a resin, powder, or capsule. The purest form is the resin, dark, sticky, and full of potency. Start with a pea-sized amount, about 200 to 300 milligrams, and mix it in warm water or tea. Take it in the morning or before a workout for an instant energy boost. Consistency is key. Within weeks, you'll start to feel the difference. More energy, better focus, and improved physical performance. Before you dive in, here's a quick word of caution. Shilajit is powerful, but it's not for everyone. Avoid it if you're pregnant, have certain chronic conditions, or take medications. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new supplement. Imagine waking up every day with boundless energy. Imagine crushing your workout, staying focused for hours, and feeling unstoppable. That's the power of Shilajit. This isn't just about boosting your energy, it's about unlocking your true potential. You have the power to become the best version of yourself, and Shilajit can help you get there. Ready to experience the energy of a warrior and the focus of a monk? Start your Shilajit journey today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Mind Body Hero for more life-changing health hacks. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and keep leveling up.